All right, guys, we're on our way out. One of the things that comes up a lot that people ask about, and I think a lot of people are curious. I know I was before I came out here. Woohoo! Karaoke again. And that's just kind of the medical services that you can get here in the Philippines. And you know, what's the quality of care, and just, you know, you name it, right? There's just all these questions that people have regarding those types of services here in the Philippines. So I thought I would shoot. We are on our way today. Mary Rose is back there. Hey, girl. Mary Rose is back there, and you know, I thought we would go ahead and shoot our dental experience today. So we are on our way to the dentist, and you know what? I've been here just over 3 years, and I've been to the dentist, I think, every 6 months for cleanings. And so we thought we'd just take you along for kind of that type of deal where you're kind of doing regular maintenance like you would in the US. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I don't know much about the dentist's office that we're gonna look at this dog. It's so cool. Guy riding with his dog. Oh, you gotta love this country. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so get ready for that kind of stuff too as we travel along. But yeah, I totally lost my train of thought with the freaking Shih Tzu driving the scooter. But I had been in the country 3 years. I've been a dentist, and you know, the care, it varies. You know, are you gonna have the 5-star dental services like you would in the US? No, not so much. But can you get your teeth cleaned and get dental work done here? Yes, you can, absolutely. Is it a place to go for medical tourism? You know, it might be, but not here probably in Butuan City. You know, you might want to do like Manila or Cebu, some of these bigger cities to kind of do some of that medical tourism. And honestly, probably like Kuala Lumpur or Thailand they're a little more known for medical tourism than the Philippines. Although there is an aspect of that, but definitely not here where we're going here in the Philippines. So yeah, so we're gonna take you along today for our dental cleaning experience here as we travel through Butuan City. I'm tempted to, yeah, see here? Yeah, this is what you got. Riding through the Philippines. Oh my gosh. Hopefully we don't need an ER visit in between there and here. No, it's actually, the riding here, guys, is not that bad. It's really not. It makes sense is what it does. Where'd that whistle come from? It makes sense, really it does. You just ride, you know, you just go, you know, and in some ways I feel like we're super regulated in North America, and here there's just kind of the wild west. You know, you just ride, and you know, I think the big thing that you want to keep in mind as you're riding here is just take it chill, take it easy, right? Just ride nice and easy, nice slow, go with the flow. That's true anywhere. But all right, guys, getting a little bit off topic as usual, talking about riding in the Philippines, but you know, I just dig it. But we'll come back in a little bit. I'll stop the video here, and we will take you. We got like what does it say? About a 13-minute ride to the dentist office. So we will stop the camera there, and we'll show you that. So we'll be right back. All right, so I think we found it. I'm not quite sure actually. We are downtown Butuan. You saw it up here?
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead, babe. I'll follow you. So we got the dentist shop here. We survived the trip. Bunch of little shops and stuff along here. Flowers. Hey, my own hapon. All right. Yeah, really cool little wild small shops. They got you know, these little soccer balls and random stuff. So, all right, yeah. So here's the name of the place right up here. Let's go take a look. Oh, someone's getting some drilling. All right, we'll be right back. so we're here. We made it up to the office. There were some people in the waiting room, so I didn't want to shoot and record them unintentionally. But Mary Rose is going to go first. You can see her over here. Here she is. She's up here. She's in the chair. We're going to do a basic cleaning today. We'll give you a full review after. We'll tell you about our whole experience here. Just a little dentist shop. This is your typical kind of dentistry office that you'll see in kind of the more provincial areas, Cebu and stuff. And actually too, you can go in the malls and they actually have dentists in the malls too, which are very common. So yeah, Mary Rose is up in the chair first, getting her teeth done. And we do this every 6 months. It's on the calendar. It's the first time we've been to this particular office, so I'm excited to check it out. I'll put their information too in the video description. I'll put a map link and where they're at. They're just super cool here and super nice and highly reviewed on Google. And that's kind of what I use. I use a combination of AI and Google to find these types of places. You know, because it's hard. I mean, even trying to actually find out where this place was, we drove around for a couple minutes just trying to locate it. But using AI and Google Maps to locate these types of things has been my go-to. So, all right, guys, Mary Rose in the chair. I'm up next. We'll be right back. We're back from the dentist. Mary Rose went first. I followed up. I was thinking about shooting from the chair, but I just want to get my teeth cleaned. So, really friendly dentist. Did you say you think she was?
She's half Indian.
Ah,
Yeah.
super cool, man. She's talking about how she's looking to travel more in the Philippines. So I thought that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can tell by her face because she's pretty and she's like not the typical Filipino figure face.
A little different.
She's pretty.
Yeah, it's hard to say with you know, they've got the mask and the hairnet and all that stuff on. But anyways, really good dental office. I'm so glad we went. We were due.
Yes, I'm so glad.
Yeah, it was just a normal 6-month cleaning. But my teeth feel great. You know, just super. The drill was a little bit on the loud side, right?
Yeah.
But
What I like about it is that every time she did something in my teeth, she would ask me, "Does it hurt? Just squish your hand or move your face if it hurts, so I know that it hurts." But I was like, after it finished, I was like, it doesn't hurt, but you have this sense, like it's different, but it doesn't hurt. So
Right.
as you can see, my feet.
yeah, watching her toes are curling up. Yeah, I noticed that too.
So that is good.
Yeah, I would say it's really a good dental experience. My teeth are clean, very professional setup there. You know, we talked about she has a filling that's may need to be replaced, so she had brought that up. But and it was great. It was 3,000 pesos, 1,500 each, so 3,000 pesos for the both of us, which is super inexpensive. I'll convert that out, but super inexpensive for a teeth cleaning. Like I said, right now we're at Bo's Coffee.
Yeah, I read a picture there.
Yeah.
One teeth asks, "What are you doing?" And then the one teeth says, "Just need a little time." It means drinking a coffee.
So they had some cartoon in there, and two teeth were talking to each other.
Talking to each other. It's so cute. It's nice building because you can see cartoon pictures or say talking to each other everywhere. Even in the bathroom, I went there. I enjoyed reading it. Yeah.
So, and you were saying too, well, that noise on the way in that we came in was actually their generator. I jokingly said someone's getting their teeth drilled, right, with a jackhammer. But they were out of power.
Yeah, they were out of power there, and then when we went
the generators
out,
on.
Yeah.
And the generators off. So, yeah, it must have just been isolated to the neighborhood because we haven't noticed it where we were at. But
yeah, and then it's getting busy there too.
Right. Yeah, I know. It was a busy office. They had people coming in and out pretty often. So, well, I guess that'll do it for this video, guys. I just wanted to take you along today on our dentist visit and kind of what we had going on there. We successfully got our teeth cleaned and inexpensively. It Shout out to the dental office there. Like I said, I'll put the name up and all their information in the video description. They were just really, spot on as far as getting my teeth cleaned. Probably one of the better offices that I've been to.
Yeah.
Yep. You can go to malls too. Malls also have dentist shops.
Yeah,
Things like
but they're
that.
more expensive
They are a
than
little more expensive.
the
I think about
outside.
1,500 is on par for dental cleanings. Even in Cebu,
It's
I
1.5.
think, yeah, they scaled it, right? So like your first cleaning was a lot more expensive, but mine, because I'm gone every 6 months, mine was like 1.6 or 1.7.
Ah, okay.
But I know they so depending on how, if you haven't been to the dentist in years, which happens here in
But
the country, it can pay up to like 3,000 pesos for a cleaning.
I hate that dental clinic that we went to Cebu because oh my god, the suction for the water, it stays in my mouth, so it feels like I'm sucking a big dick. Earlier, the assistant, she's really good. She's holding the suction for the water and then just move it around, which my mouth doesn't feel like it's heavy or something.
Right.
So my mouth is good, other than this sense of feeling that there's some, not hurt, but you can, I don't know how to explain it in English, but
Like that.
yeah.
I think you did in a way that got everyone's attention. Well, with that said, guys, I think we'll wrap up our video here. We're having fun. We're chilling out today. After this, we're off to the grocery store because we've got a low pressure coming in, so we want to make sure we got everything we need. But
then after grocery, what are we gonna do?
I have no idea.
Maybe we'll start our painting session.
Oh yeah, we got some painting projects coming
Yeah.
on. So yeah, a lot going on. But just keeping busy, having fun as usual. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Check out the Patreon page if you're not already. We got a ton of free stuff out there now. Every week we got tons of behind the scenes, kind of what we're up to, what we got going on there. So we've got the language app that we're continuing to grow and develop. So if you're looking to learn Cebuano, which is importante kayo, you check out the language app. So, all right, guys, with that said, Ampin, ayo, and
feed that
the
good wolf.
Yes. Feed that positive person inside. Yeah, there's so much chaos and crazy going on in the world. And, us grounding ourselves with good intention. Peace, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Okay. Okay, lang. Good video, buddy.